Hello, and welcome back to another episode of SQL Interview Insights. Today, let's solve an interview problem which was asked at Meta. I copied this question from Status Scratch and used my own data for create and insert statements. You can find those details in the description. And let's get into the problem. The marketing team is evaluating the performance of their previously ran promotions. They are especially interested in comparing the sales on the first day versus the last day of each promotion. Segment the results by promotion and find the percentage of transactions that happened on the first day and the last day of each. Your output should contain promotion ID, percentage of transactions on the first day, and the percentage of transactions on the last day. So we have these two tables, promotions and order tables. Promotion table, it has promotion ID, promotion start date, end date, and what is the kind of promotion and what is the cost spent for that promotion. In orders table, we have the customer ID who bought that product on that promotion ID and the order date. So what we have to find is this order date for this promotion ID. If it falls on the first day or on the last day, get the count. And we have to find all those transactions which fall either on first day or on the last day. And once we get the count, we need to find the percentage. So in order to calculate the percentage, if we can find the count for the first day divided by the count of entire transactions, we should be able to find the percentage. So let's get started with this problem. I need to select the promotion ID here because that is what we need to have in the promotion ID. So if we see in the expected output, we have a promotion ID 6 where transactions didn't happen either on first day or on the last day, which means we have the promotion ID here and none of the orders have that promotion ID, but still we have to show that in the output, which means we need to have some kind of join for the promotions and order tables where we select everything from the promotion table. So we need to have a left join between promotions and order tables. So I'll just select p dot promotion ID and let's see what our from statement looks like. From promotions, this is, we'll call that as P, and do a left join orders. Let's call this O on P dot promotion ID is equal to O dot promotion ID. Yeah, now let's see what other columns we have to select here. So we joined this promotion and order table on the promotion ID. Now we need to get the count. So we need to get the count and we need to have the condition where our order date is either equal to the start date of this promotion or the end date of this promotion. We need to have that count separately for each. So let's start with a case statement. Case when order date is equal to start date. I'm just using without any alias because the column names are different, but it's a good practice to use the alias which we provided here. So O dot order date and P dot start date, if they are equal, then the count will be 1, else null. And let's call this as first day. And similarly, we need to have the count for the last day or the end date. I'll just copy the same thing. I'll call this as last day. and this one will be end date. And group by p dot promotion ID. Let's see what the output look like. Okay, so we have it 0 here, the first day and the last day. Okay, so we got 0. So looks like we have a date column here. This is a timestamp and I'm trying to get the date here. So let's try to convert this to a date. So this is a Postgres SQL I'm using. So I can directly use this conversion here. If this is with MySQL or any other database, we have to use either tochar or some other function. Convert this timestamp to a date. Yeah. So now if we see for promotion ID, we have one transaction on the first day and one transaction on the last day. This is just the count, but we need to find the percentage. So for that we need to have divided by count star. So for that promotion ID, we are just dividing the start date count divided by all the transactions that happened for that promotion ID in orders table. And similarly I'll have to do divided by count star here. Let's see what we'll have. Okay, we got again a 0 value here. Since that one is a percentage, we need to multiply by 100. Yes. But if you see here on the last day we have 33 and it's expecting 33.33, which should be a float. So we have to multiply this. So whenever we have we are trying to calculate the percentage, in order to capture the floating values, we have to multiply by 1.0. Yeah. Now we got all the float values here, but the expected output is 33.33. We'll just use a round function here. Yeah, and do an order by. They did not mention anything, but as per the result, we need to use an order by promotion date, promotion ID. And yes, we got the expected results here. Thank you for watching this video.